Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of car security, focusing on the LoJack system. If you're concerned about keeping your vehicle safe, this video is for you. Don't forget to check the link in the description for more detailed information. Understanding the LoJack system. The LoJack system is not just any tracking system, it's a comprehensive solution for vehicle owners seeking peace of mind. With its hidden transceiver, it provides real-time location updates and alerts. Impressively, if your car equipped with LoJack gets stolen, there's a more than 90% chance of recovery. Key features of the LoJack system. Key features include real-time tracking, ensuring you're always informed about your vehicle's location. The system boasts a high theft recovery rate, with discreet installation making it tough for thieves to disable. Plus, many insurance companies offer discounts for vehicles equipped with LoJack. How much does LoJack cost? You might be wondering about the cost. On average, installing the LoJack system ranges from $700 to $1,500, depending on your vehicle type and model. This investment not only secures your vehicle but can also reduce your insurance premiums. Why choose LoJack? Why opt for LoJack? With over 100,000 vehicles recovered, its effectiveness is undeniable. The advanced technology ensures efficient monitoring and protection, giving you peace of mind in today's unpredictable environment. LoJack's mobile app. LoJack's mobile app is your security companion. It allows you to monitor your vehicle's status, receive instant alerts for unusual activity, and track maintenance schedules. The user-friendly interface makes vehicle monitoring a breeze. Conclusion. In conclusion, LoJack is more than just a tracking device, it's a comprehensive security solution for your vehicle. With its advanced features and proven effectiveness, it stands as a top choice for vehicle owners who prioritize security and peace of mind. The initial investment is worth it in the long run for the safety it provides. Remember to check the link in the description for more information. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching.